Hello again. Brazil is a vast country with many different kinds of not only ecosystems but habitats as well. For this first video, I'm in western Brazil in the state of Mato Grosso, which means thick forest in Portuguese. It's approximately in the center of South America. Brazilians think in terms of cities. The city I'm in is Cuiabá, and the world's biggest wetland, the Pantanal, is about a 2-hour trip over there. The first habitat that I've been filming in is the back garden of the property where I'm staying. The native habitat in this area is not rainforest as many might think, but it's actually semi-arid open savanna. But of course, as you can see, I'm in a back garden, and ecologically that counts as an open or disturbed habitat. But it's good for garden birds. Now, one of the commonest birds in Brazil is what we begin with, and yesterday I took this footage of a bananaquit, one of the commonest birds in Brazil. This is a bananaquit. It's about 11 centimeters long from tip of bill to tip of tail. As you can see, it's got a very distinct eye stripe. You can see it in, I would say, most gardens in, well, a lot of Brazil, I would suggest. Although my experience of Brazil is the state of Mato Grosso in the central west. I love these bird feeders. They're available in almost any pet shop in Brazil, and this one's filled with a sugary nectar substitute. That's the bananaquit. Hope you like the footage.